Money isn't the problem, but what Jesus said about it might completely change the way you see it. Jesus said, "For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." He wasn't measuring your wallet, he was revealing your heart. Money itself isn't evil. The real danger is allowing money to become your master instead of God. That's why Jesus said, "You cannot serve both God and money." Whatever controls your heart controls your life. Biblical wealth isn't about how much you have. It's about trusting God, living generously, and using every blessing for His glory. Jesus never asked, "How much do you own?" He asked, "Where is your heart?" That's the question that still matters today.